everybody, what's up? Good evening. Welcome to Ladosha Wright. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do something real cool and simple. And if you like this and all the information that I'm putting, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'm also going to put the information where you can find both my books, What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon, and my children's book, Curly Hair Adventures. So here we go, how to wrap hair. So remember, hair care and hairstyling are about three things: the right products, the right tools, and bing, the right techniques. So the right tool today is a comb, an all-purpose comb. You do not want to use a wide tooth comb because it will not keep the hair smooth. The right tool is also the brush. So the right tool is the comb, the right tool is the brush. The right product is nothing. Do not put anything on the hair, no oil sheet, no oil. This is a fresh, clean, curly head of hair, and so we don't want to weigh this down. So the first thing you're going to do is comb the hair out. So the objective in wrapping hair is not to preserve the hair, the curls rather, but to use the curls to help to get the hair to mold around the head. Again, I repeat, the objective of wrapping hair is not to keep the curls, but to use the curls to help to mold the hair around the head, okay? Number two, so now that you have the hair combed out, you're going to comb your hair down like a mushroom. Now, combing hair is very, very crucial and essential to having a wonderful wrap, as when you comb your hair, you're taking your natural oils that the scalp produces and you're bringing them all the way down to the ends to ensure a very smooth wrap. Okay, so number three, your head is the roller. Okay, do not think of the beehive. Your head is the roller, so you are going to follow the natural shape of your head and combing the hair in long strokes. You don't want to do this, you want long strokes. Now, if you have long hair, she has pretty long hair, you do not want to do this. No, you're going to rip your hair out. Instead, you're going to create these panels. And you can tilt your head back. So there's the part, bing, right there. And you're going to comb the panel nice and smooth. And then you're going to begin to wrap it following the shape of your head. So don't bring it up because you will rip your hair and lose your length. You will also tear your hairline. So again, follow the shape of the head. So you're going to bring the hair down. And I'm going to continue my panels until all the hair is nice and wrapped. So here is another panel. I'm going to just swing her chair back around and you're going to tilt your head just so they can see the part. So there's my little piece of pie. And then again, I am going to wrap the hair following the shape of her head. Now I'm flipping the comb between wider teeth and smaller teeth. Wider teeth will loosen it up. The closer teeth will smooth the hair. So again, I'm bringing all of this forward so I don't get that little beehive. And then I'm going to do another panel. The panels are helping me keep direction onto the wrap, and it's also keeping the hair nice and smooth, and it's also again moving or redistributing her scalp's natural oils throughout her hair. And as you can see, it's wrapping up very nice. And now I flipped my comb over to the smaller teeth so that I can begin to keep this nice and smooth. Okay? And now if you want, you can take a board brush. Do not, I repeat, do not use one of those plastic goodie brushes, nothing against goodie, on the hair. Goodie brushes are for something else. When you're wrapping or molding hair, you need to use a very nice boar or porcupine bristle brush, okay? Why? Because these brushes are designed to take your natural oils and bring them from the scalp down. Most bristle brushes have different lengths to compensate for the different lengths of hair. Okay, so again, I'm just using my finger to sculpt. All right, and so voila, there you have it. It's a nice wrapped head of hair. Whoops. Oops. All right. So there you have it. So now what we want to do is to tie her hair down, okay? So let me just turn her around because I didn't see the back. Let me see that. Let me see that. There she is. Can you tilt your hair forward? Hold your hair forward. So there it is. A nice smooth wrap. I'm going to swing her around some more. So there, let me bring my little camera over. I'm like, we want to see it all over. So there she is all over, okay? So now, next up, what we want to do is to tie this down. So she has her wrap scarf. Can you hold these for me? So again, you want to make sure you're using a nice satin scarf. Now I prefer these. They're like a woman's do-rag without the tag on it. So the reason why I professionally and personally I like these is because the tag isn't on it and it sculpts to the shape of the head. So you're going to put this over. And you have to cover the entire head. Do not leave hair sticking out because it's going to buckle and then your hair won't lie right when you comb your wrap down. So again, you want to cover. Don't leave the kitchen out. Don't do this. No, it all has to be covered. And once it's tied, she can pull her ears out. And I also like this one because it has the strings that you can secure. So if you sleep a little wild at night or you're going to do the wild thing, you know what I'm saying? So this is going to help stand on. Now, if he pull it off, please do not hit the unlike button on my video. I ain't going to have nothing to do with that if he snatches it off. Or she, I get that, okay? So anywho, so if it gets snatched off, that's a whole other conversation. But for the most part, the hair can survive a little wild thing, okay? So the wrap will stay on. When you take a shower, by all means necessary, people, do not put a plastic cap on top of this because if you do, the plastic cap will cause the hair to swell and revert. And when you take your wrap down, your hair is going to be frizzy, okay? So you're going to put a towel on top, or you can just turn the steam down on your shower, the temperature, and let the water just trickle slowly and not a full blast so you don't get the hair wet. So she can pull her ears out here so that she can get her little gossip on or whatever. You could put a hat on top of this. You could put a scarf on top of this. I know some people even put a wig on top of this. So whatever you want to do, just make sure that you're using this type of a head wrap, and I will put the link to the wrap that I'm using. A scarf, I'm not a big fan of those big rectangle satin scarves. I'm not a big fan of those because these have the little tie to secure it on your head so that you can live in it. So there you have it. What they don't tell you at the hair salon about wrapping your hair, I will. My book, What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon, is available on all of the online outlets like Amazon, Barnes & Nobles. It's also available on ebook, Kindle, Nook, and all of your ebook platforms. Thank you very much. Peace, love, and hair. And if you ain't got no hair, you know what to do, right? Just rub your little bald head, okay? Bye.